Low back pain and hip pain are super common complaints, and 90% of the time it comes from short muscles because we sit too much. Luckily, with some really simple tools and about 2 to 3 minutes a day, we can alleviate a lot of the issue. Here we're looking at the anterior or frontal view of someone's hip. So here we have the head of the femur and the hip. If we look over here at this green muscle, this is called your psoas, and it connects to the front of your hip and then runs up to your spine and helps to flex your hip. That muscle tends to present a problem for people that sit often. Your psoas sits deep inside your hip. So my navel, my belly button is about here. I move about 2 inches to the right of that, just inside this pointy part of my hip. And what we're gonna do is use a tool that I created. It's made from lacrosse balls. It's 4 balls taped together, 3 on the bottom, 1 on top, and we have this pyramid. So I've got 2 of my lacrosse ball pyramids, and what I'm gonna do is set them just inside of hip width apart. Then I'm just gonna come in again about 2 inches on either side of my belly button, below my rib cage, inside my hip, and I'm gonna come on top. So again, I'm laying down on these balls. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is flex my abs as hard as I can and then relax. And when I relax, I wanna try and let them sink deeper in towards my hip. I'm gonna do that 3 times. So about a 5-second contraction and then try and relax and let those balls sink a little bit deeper in. Once I've gotten past the superficial muscle, now I am on that psoas, I'm gonna initiate a bit of movement. So I can just sort of wiggle my torso side to side and my hips, but I can also bend and then extend my leg. Do that for about 10 to 15 reps on each leg. And then you're gonna bend your knee and let your leg fall out and fall in, back and forth. If you have a job where you sit a bunch, this will change your life. These are the cross balls, are $3 a piece. You need 8 of them, and it takes 2 minutes a day. Let us know how it goes.